Hey guys, it's Robin here. Just a shout out to all of you guys that attend our group sessions here at the clinic. We're really excited to launch our brand new booking system, and you should have received an email with all of the information on how to log on and book in. Now, the rest of this video is going to go through in detail how to log on and how to exactly book a session, and it's really easy. So we do know that some of you might have a few more questions or need a little bit more assistance, and we don't want you to worry because we'll have the exercise physiologist, our receptionist on board here at the clinic to help you out and answer any of those questions with iPads to show you how to do it. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you and for you guys to get used to using the new system. This video is going to show you how to book a group exercise session using the new booking system via our website. So from this page on our website, if you scroll down, you'll notice two buttons to choose your preferred location. I'm going to book a class at Chatswood. I'll click through and it will take me to a new page. We suggest that you bookmark or favorite this page for easy access in the future. Now, I'll have access here to only Chatswood's group sessions, but before I go ahead and book anything, you'll need to register for an account. So at the top right corner, if you click register and follow the prompts to create an account, you'll be able to do so in less than a minute. Once you've got your details, you can log in using your email and password. Mine's auto-saved for easy access. And now you can see all of the calendar dates plus bookings. So you can firstly filter classes or by instructors if you wish. Otherwise, you can scroll across the calendar and look for the date that you want to book a session. So I'd like to book a session on Friday, the 2nd of August, and I'll have a look at which sessions are available. 10 o'clock sounds good to me with Freya. I'll click book. And just to confirm, Friday the 2nd of August, 10 o'clock, I'll click book once more to confirm, and it's done. I've successfully booked my Move Strong session. Click done, takes you back to the main page. Now I can continue to book more sessions, okay, and just keep repeating that process. Once I'm done, I can click profile so that I can view all of my upcoming bookings. So here I've got 2 classes booked in August, and if I want to, I can cancel sessions from here as well. So if I want to cancel this session, if I just click cancel once, it will cancel my booking in one step. And it's done. So that's it. We hope you find it simple and easy to use.